The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Aurora in the Region 3 or Central Luzon. The province of Aurora has the municipality of Baler as its provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 3 or Central Luzon region. It is composed of 0 cities, 8 municipalities, and 151 barangays. It was founded on 1951 and the total land area is 3,133.40 kilometers squared or 1,209.81 square miles. Aurora is bordered clockwise from the northeast by Isabela, Philippine Sea, Quezon, Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, and Quirino. Here are the different municipalities comprising the province of Aurora in Region 3 or Central Luzon. The municipality of Baler also serves as the capital, the provincial capital, with 13 barangays. The municipality of Casiguran with 24 barangays. Municipality of Dilasag with 11 barangays. Municipality of Dinalungan with 9 barangays. Municipality of Dingalan with 11 barangays. Municipality of Dipaculao with 25 barangays. Municipality of Maria Aurora with 40 barangays. And the Municipality of San Luis with 18 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities comprising the province of Aurora in Region 3 or Central Luzon. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.